Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. And so guys, today I'm gonna do some eggs. I'm gonna prepare some eggs for freezing. Guys, I have a lot of eggs. I don't want it to spoil because we don't eat a lot of eggs. So what I just learned from YouTube, that you can freeze your eggs. So guys, come along with me to see how we freeze eggs. So guys, I have some Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put them in these bags and freeze them. Okay guys, so what I saw, the first thing you do, you crack the eggs. Make sure there is no shell in your eggs. Crack the egg guys. And then guys, they said you mix out the eggs and you can add some salt guys. So guys, I'm gonna put some black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper, and I'm gonna add some salt, just a little bit of salt. So when I'm doing it, when I defrost the eggs, I don't have to put any salt or black pepper in it. And so guys, I have these little bags. They hold like 1 cup. 1 cup, so I'm gonna put 1 cup each. Okay guys, let's do this. So that's, 3 eggs in each cup. So this is 3/4 cup of eggs. So this is 3 eggs. So that's 3 eggs right there. So guys, I'm doing this just like how I do the seasoning. So that's 3 eggs in 1 cup, each one of 3 eggs. So I'm doing 3 eggs guys per bag, which I'm gonna get 3/4 egg bags. So that's 3 eggs. Now guys, I'm gonna add the black pepper, dash of salt, not too much salt guys. I'm gonna blend it out. So guys, you can get these bags in this dollar store. This is like 1/2 cup, so I think I need like 4 eggs per bag guys, if you want 4 eggs per bag. So that's 3 eggs. So now I'm gonna try 4 eggs. I think I need more than 3 eggs per bag. So that's 1. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. So I'm putting 4 eggs guys. So a dash of salt and some black pepper. Oh, this black pepper is very coarse. So guys, I will make another video to show what the eggs look like when it defrost. But so far what I saw on YouTube, it came out very good. So this is 4 eggs. 4 eggs, so this can serve for 2 people. Guys, thank you so much for following or subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe, comment and share on this idea, because right now things so expensive, guys. Whichever way you can preserve stuff, just preserve. And if you can do your eggs and put them in the freezer, Black pepper, guys. Oh, this black pepper is so coarse. If you're still there, guys, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you. So this is a new method I'm trying, guys, to preserve eggs. If it doesn't come out good, blame YouTube. Oops. Yes guys, so this is the eggs. I did 3 dozen eggs. So this is 3 dozen eggs. So I'm gonna keep in my freezer as the instruction says on YouTube. And every time I need one, I'm gonna pull it out and put it in the fridge to defrost overnight. It already have the salt and black pepper in it, so I don't need to put anything else. When I defrost it, I just scramble it. So some people can put milk. I'm not putting any milk. I'm just gonna use some butter or some oil to make my scrambled egg when I'm ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe and share, and let me know what you think about this video. If you like this video guys, so preserving eggs in the freezer. Preserving eggs guys. So I get to understand that this can last up to a year or 2 in your freezer. So let's see how long this will last me guys. I'm all about preserving stuff. Whichever way I can preserve, I will preserve. Because things is too expensive right now to waste food or let food spoil. So alright guys, take care of yourself until next time. Walk good and remember that Jesus loves you and I do too. Take care of yourself until next time.